This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
In the passenger's footwell, operate the bonnet release lever. Lift up the safety catch, open the bonnet and support it with the strut. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Lift the flap in the battery cover, pull up the locking lever and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift the battery cover flap and locate the lead clamp over the battery positive terminal. Press down the lever to lock it into place. Unclip and fold away the strut. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock.